one more beautiful morning today, and here I am at New Taipei. The area, the mountains you see behind me are the Keelong range. It's awesome, it's really beautiful, all green. And today we have so many plans. We are going top of the mountain, we are going to see the Golden Waterfall and so many places. So stay tuned. I am with my friends Edward, Zero, Waiting and Doris. This guy coming is the organizer.
Yeah, bring some water and 我们帮忙拿，我们帮忙拿好了。这怎么讲？零食啊 ，snake。
Wow, this view is amazing.
You know yin and yang?
In
There
Yang.
are two
Yin
different
and yang for
colors.
Chinese culture.
Yeah.
Yin and yang.
In means dark, and yang means
Minus and
bright.
plus.
Bright.
Like this.
Okay. In means dark.
In means dark.
Okay.
And yang means bright.
Okay.
So this is like a dark and bright
Yellow
oceans.
and green.
Yeah. So the yellow portion is a dark.
There's a mist.
Yes.
Mistle.
The yellow color is because the poison I just said.
Oh.
That is the water from the Golden Waterfall
Okay.
will go to the lead oceans. So there are many like metals.
Yeah, metal dissolve in the
In the
water, so
waters.
water becomes poisonous.
Yes. So,
Yeah,
so there
got
are two different colors.
Okay, got it. So it's very inclined steep, so people you can see are tired. Come on guys, we are Power Rangers.
Yeah.
All we are the Power Rangers. Hey! Don't be a tired Rangers.
I read. It's different color. Hey, the summer. I read.
So that is battery drain down. Battery down. Red means.
Top mountain is here.
你刚才讲我们开始在哪？最近
那个是本山。
We come from here,
Yeah.
and we already go two of the third
Okay. So how do you go? By road or by stairs?
by stairs.
Okay.
1 kilometer.
Awesome.
Saving more.
We came from downside, extreme downside. You can see. And you have to go far above. A long way to go. Go! Ni hao. Hello.
Where to come from?
I'm from India. But
India?
yeah, but I stay in Taipei.
Also in Taipei?
Yeah.
Work in Taipei?
Yeah, I work in
So you
Taipei.
can speak Chinese?
Oh hey, Tenden Chongwon.
Yeah. Okay, great. 所以今天休假 ，holiday vacation.
Yeah, holiday. Yeah.
Holiday.
Yeah, these are my friends.
Okay. Oh yeah, your colleague.
Yeah, we are colleagues.
Okay.
Ochai Google Gonzo. Is it correct?
Yes. 他在 Google 工作。
好呀，所以你都是 Google。对。好，真的啊，羡慕。
这个在 Google 工作都要麻烦。
那就很简单一件事情，叫 Google。会议室的时候，Google 通常有。
Walk carefully. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And here is the zero.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Wow.
Come on, guys.
怎么该？
真的好危险的感觉。我会怕高。
Come from this side.
Thank you。
我怕高啊，
我超怕，可是这个看得到地板，我不怕。
可以
2楼看到1楼那种我会怕，
这个有3楼高，
可是我看到我看得到地板，
对，
我看到地板就不怕
爬上。去就不敢下去。
Oh!
Power Rangers！
Yeah!
其实没有，就看不到，就一个石洞。
好啊，有东西吗？
Yeah, man. Come on.
Okay, so
Finally, waiting is joining to the summit.
usually I'm very fear of height, but
No, come on, man. You have to get rid of your fear.
I will beat myself.
It's okay. You did great job. Awesome. See, all plane is here.
I'm feeling stronger right now.
Cool, man. Get over through your fears. Enjoy the life. It's
Yes.
so beautiful.
Really.
Yeah. Finally, man.
Yes.
Hey, so this feeling is amazing. Awesome. We are at the top of the Teapot Mountain. What is the Chinese name?
茶壶山
Chao Shan. It's amazing feeling. You can see behind. And waiting is here with me. Because of the fog you couldn't see much, but this place is awesome. Wow. Behind us is the summit. And all we conquer the summit. Zero is
你在
there.
忙什么？
Zero finally.
Hero 你在哪 ？Raby 你在哪去了？
Ravi.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yo, Power Rangers.
Power Rangers.
耶！
So finally I'm at the place which I wanted to be. The behind me you can see is the Golden Waterfall. It's one of the beautiful place again in Taiwan. The water is bit golden colored because they have so many mines, metal mines above at top of the mountain, and the water percolates from those mines and the color of water becomes gold.
Oh,